Welcome to how to decorate your pad for your date, because apparently swiping right isn't enough anymore.
So, your place looks more like a dorm room and less like a love nest. Don't worry, you don't need a whole makeover, just a few upgrades to trick people into thinking that you've got your life together.
Blank walls? Instant no. Hang some art, prints, and a mirror. Just no live, laugh, love nonsense. Make it look like you've got good taste, even if you don't.
Bar area time. Drinks are a must-have. Stock up on wine, liquor, mixers, and non-alcoholic options as well. And try to learn at least one fancy cocktail. Whether you mix it, stir it, shake it, I don't care. Just please don't serve your guests warm beer.
Bathroom check. Have a matching set of soap dispenser, a scented candle, and towels in your bathroom, and visible extra TP, so no one's going through your cabinets on our watch. Most importantly, always keep your bathroom clean and tidy, because you never know when a special guest is going to stop by.
Let's talk living room. Make sure that you've got a comfy couch with a throw pillow and a blanket that matches. Tuck all of your remotes away into a basket and boom, instant cozy.
Snacks matter. Chips and fruit in bowl, cheese and crackers on board. Make it look like you care, even if it's just pre-sliced cheddar.
Vibes. Lighting, soft. Music, chill. Scent, clean. Oh, and plants. Real or fake, they will breathe life into your space. Bonus points if you can keep the real ones alive.
And that's it. Your place is now guest ready, date ready, and Insta ready.
A little effort goes a long way, even if you have to fake it till you make it.
Cheers!
Here at Mission 2 Organize, we're not just known for our award-winning YouTube channel. We also feature monthly vlogs on our website and mind-blowing hacks on our Instagram and TikTok accounts. From home organizing to move management and more, M2O has your back. We'll see you next time right here on M2O TV. Bye!